Very good evening, friends. I am Nanakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. So, setup for Tuesday, you should consider all these things. Friday's close was 24,345. Monday, today opened at 24,421 and the low made was 24,000.65. Gap was not filled. The gap, Friday's close was around 24,345. So gap was not filled. So you remember that. The higher target was met was 24,526 today. And the low is held throughout the day. It did not violate the final close is 24,461, that is plus 116 points from the Friday's close, forming an inside day within Friday's range, that is between 24,247 to 24,587. This is the setup for Tuesday. So let us go there. Let me go to the chart, and based on the India VIX, the levels to watch out for 24,226 and 24,696 on the upper side. These are the two boundaries. The lower boundary is below the Friday's low, 24,226. Upper boundary is above the Friday's high. And the weekly level, 23,838. And weekly high, it comes to 25,084. So these are the readings because why we are getting a higher range is because of the high VIX reading, 18.34. So closing is positive. This is previous day, Friday's close, and it is today's close, Monday's close. So there is a demand zone because the gap, since the gap is not filled, this level can act as a demand zone, strong demand zone for Tuesday, tomorrow. So these are the levels you need to mark out. So it is an inside day with bullish bias. This is the representation. This is Friday's range and this is Monday's range. It's a inside day formation. Inside day are very, very strong signals. And this close is near the Friday's high, that is 24,589, 24,461. We need to see how the market will pan. For the setup, actually, let me go there. for the bullish setup, for bullish bias, breakout above inside day. Inside day means the Monday's high is 24,526. Momentum can build towards 24,589, which is the high of Friday's high. Clean break and close above 24,589 could open the door for new all-time high. So intraday targets 24,589 and then 24,645 and 24,720. The VIX level you can see over here, it is 24,696. You may get this target. In case if it is a bearish bias, break down below the inside day, that is 24,406, then the support will be Friday's low and inside day base. A break below 24,247 can shift structure to bearish, especially if 24,000 gives way. Downside target, it can open to 24,150 and then 23,875. So in case of bearish thing, it can open downside targets, you can see. If it is a bullish bias, you can anticipate for a market to move higher. Okay, note down, these are the setups for the Tuesday. But the thing, what I notice here is, this may act as Friday's close, may act as a strong demand zone. Any dip towards this level, like this, can propel the market higher, crossing first Monday's high, 24,526. Once it conquers this level, it can go past the Friday's high to reach the target of 24,696. So this will act as a gap. Since the gap was not filled, it can fill the gap since it is an area gap. This is an area gap. Within the range of Friday's high and low, the gap is formed. Since it has not been filled, they can utilize this as filling the zone. It may serve as a demand zone for tomorrow, this area. And I have applied anchored VWAP. Here, the price is above the anchored VWAP. Anchored VWAP is showing average price 24,416. And also long-term anchored VWAP from the previous week's low, previous Friday, it is also here. So 24,312. So market has got strong support within the range of Friday's high and low. Any dip and reversal can trigger the Nifty towards the higher level. So that is the setup for Tuesday. Probably market may try to move higher since everything is in a bullish territory. And this is the volume profile, and this is the value area high. So price is above the value area high, and POC is around 24,352. This may act as a demand zone for tomorrow. Any dip towards this level can act as support, and also apart from that, this is the dynamic liquidity, as well as market will give you static liquidity too, because during the day the market has come back to the same level around 24,416 around 11:55, and the people have gone long. The stop losses of these people, stop loss beneath this, there is a dynamic liquidity as well as static liquidity available for the big money, smart money. So it can utilize this liquidity and gather strength to move past the Monday's high 24,526, and once it crosses the Friday's high, it can move towards the higher zone of 24,696. So these are the setup and levels for Tuesday. Coming to the Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is showing weakness, and the level that it has closed around 54,919, and the level to watch here is the support is around 54,695. The price is below the POC and also value area low. So the first support for this Bank Nifty is around 54,392, and the first resistance is around 55,446. If you notice clearly, it is a breakdown below the Friday's close. The market has traded downwards below the Friday's close, but it has closed within the range of the Friday's level. It is hugging near the close. And the first resistance comes around 55,446, and first support comes around 54,392. Second support is around 53,520, and second resistance is around 56,380. So these are the levels to watch out for Tuesday, tomorrow. So trade, since it is an inside day on Nifty, so you need to be little bit careful. And the demand zones are, these are the demand zones. Friday's close and the long-term VWAP, support VWAP. This may act as supports 24,307 to 24,347. They may act as demand zone for the Nifty. In case there is any dip towards this, may gather momentum and energy depending dynamic liquidity as well as the static liquidity available for the smart money can boost energy to cross this level 24,526 and 24,589. For me, it is bullish. Only it becomes bearish when it starts falling below, closing consistent close below 24,311 tomorrow. Then proceeding, if it goes down, it can continue downwards. At present, all the signals are towards the bullish bias. Let us see what the market will do. So I'll be closely watching these levels, 20 Friday's close level, and also 24,347 to 310. If the market taps into that demand zone and recovers, then there is a high chance of market moving higher. Thank you very much, friends. I wish you all happy trading day and profitable trading day. So you need to trade with caution, trade with discipline. Then only you will be profitable. Wish you all the best. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.